In the current real estate landscape, time is of greatest essence. Construction technology is constantly evolving to innovate many time-efficient ways of building that are sustainable in the long run. Aurobindo Realty adapts and evolves with the market to master a technology that secures the efforts of today to build a better tomorrow. So, when technology takes a quantum leap, we, the architects of the future, vow to master it. For fast-paced market requirements, precast technology is the way forward. It is by far the most time-efficient construction method of our times. Precast technology has been proven to be highly resourceful and customizable, leading a whole new generation of unique infrastructure in the future of real estate. Apart from being time efficient, it also consumes less energy and is sustainable in nature. It opens a world of new and better structural designs. The installations are easy and quick, reducing the delivery time. And most notably, it's a first of its kind in the market. Aurobindo Realty's Galaxy is the first precast high-rise commercial complex in India, pre-certified with LEED v4 Gold rating by USGBC. It is the landmark of the brilliance that proves this resilient technology. And its legacy continues with its successor, Orbit, the second tallest commercial building built with precast technology after Galaxy, which has also been awarded the Best Architectural Design of 2019. It's the epicenter of all advancing developments located at the heart of Hyderabad, high-tech city. Here, your business is at the center of attention, and many MNCs have based their landmarks here. Orbit has LEED v4 Gold rating by USGBC, IoT Integrated Building Management System, Destination Control Elevator System, 24/7 CCTV Surveillance System, Double Height Grand Entrance Lobby, proposed 600-seater food court, proposed health club and creche. Orbit represents a new generation of real estate in India with its stellar construction with precast technology. It takes only 6 days to complete a floor at the site. Aurobindo Realty has built a precast factory at Patancheru, where every year 3 million square feet of hollow core slabs are made, along with 50,000 linear meters of beams and 18,000 linear meters of columns. 1,200 staircases are also produced here. These slabs are manufactured at the factory in Patancheru and then brought to the site to be erected. First, the precast columns are brought to the site, where they are lifted, perfectly aligned and placed into the socket. The walls are then rested on these columns. Next come the beams. They are erected over the leveling pads of the columns. Slabs are installed into their final positions and are grouted to strengthen them. After this, the staircase is constructed and connected to the walls. Lastly, structural screeding is done to ensure a well-integrated monolith structure. The magnificent architectural design of Orbit is perfected with precast technology, swift and proficient construction to offer the city a chance to become a part of India's fast-paced development. It is where success takes shape and future takes strides.